In this lesson number 4 in Python, we are going to talk about user input by using input function. Now, for example, I will define a variable here and assign it a function input, and I will say, what is your name? And I will give a space here a bit. Now I'm going to print, and first of all I need to greet this person, and I will say hello like this. Then I'll have a comma here. Then I'm going to concatenate this string by using a plus sign. In Python we do that. Then I'm going to pass this variable name here. Then I can add another string by using a plus icon, and maybe like this here. Now let me save this one. Go to the run Python file icon here. Then you're going to run it. Now on the terminal, you can check it is already printed. What is your name? Now I can say like Kelvin, for example. Hit enter. Now you can see hello Kelvin is already printed. Now let's meet in the next lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about basic string operation.